how to get a free Carfax report in 2024. If you're in the market for a used car, a Carfax report is essential to know the vehicle's history. So, let's dive right in. First, let's talk about why you need a Carfax report. Carfax provides detailed information about a vehicle's history, including accidents, service records, and previous ownership. This helps you make an informed decision and avoid potential down the road. Many car dealerships offer free Carfax reports for the vehicles they list. Start by visiting the websites of reputable dealerships. Look for the Carfax Report button or link in the vehicle listing. Click on it to view the report for free. Websites like AutoTrader, Cars.com, and Car Gurus often provide free Carfax reports for the vehicle listed, just like with dealership websites. Look for the Carfax logo or a link to the vehicle history report. These sites make it easy to compare multiple vehicles with available report. Also, did you know Carfax itself lists used cars for sale? Head over to carfax.com and browse the used car listings. Every car listed here comes with a free Carfax report. It's a reliable way to get the information you need straight from the source. Lastly, don't hesitate to ask the seller directly for a Carfax report, whether it's a dealership or a private seller. They might provide one upon request. This can save you time and give you peace of mind before making a purchase. And there you have it, folks. These are the best ways to get a free Carfax report in 2024. Make sure to leverage these methods to ensure you're making a well-informed decision when buying a used car.